Thank you for signing up for MEC Fiber Internet. We're excited to bring you your service. Before we do, a few steps have to be completed. These usually take 2 to 6 weeks. First, our crews bring fiber from the main line to your property by building a service drop and installing a gray service box. If possible, the box will be installed near the place where your electric service enters your home. If underground work is needed to prepare the service drop, we call MISDIG. They will mark your underground public utilities. Please note that you'll still need to mark any underground private items such as sprinkler systems, pet fences, or secondary electric equipment. After your service drop is in place, a crew splices the fiber line so your home is ready for your installation appointment. The technician will confirm the best entry point for your fiber service, place your equipment where it will work best, and connect your router. Before the technician leaves, they will confirm that your service is working great and test Wi-Fi in areas of your home that matter the most. Finally, they'll clean up and talk with you to review your Wi-Fi details and answer any questions. Congratulations, you're ready to enjoy your MEC Fiber service. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-492-5989. A member of our team will be happy to help.